Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to try to teach you how to follow this transforming ninja star that transforms in a frisbee and transforms back into a ninja star. And now I'm going to teach you. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, for this model, we need 4 sheets of origami. I'm using origami. You can use printer paper cut square. Actually, I recommend a printer paper cut square. I'm going to take a black sheet. Oops, not this sheet. Just I have continued. And origami paper orange. A yellow sheet and a red sheet. And now we need to make each module. So first I will start off with the black one. So fold it in half and try to make the lip as folds and crease surface. Oops. And now fold this flap up so that this edge aligns with this crease. Now rotate under 90 degrees and fold this flap up on this edge. And turn over and fold in half. But let the layer slide out. I will zoom a little. Now turn over and now fold this flap up on this edge. Now turn over again and repeat. Now I'm gonna unzoom it and I'm gonna unfold all the flap which we have folded. Even we have folded in half, I'm gonna unfold that. And now fold on the existing crease on this edge. And now I will zoom a little, and now fold this flap on this edge. And repeat on this side. I'm using my camera to shoot. And on the existing crease, I'm going to fold ahead. With these two and pinch it and rotate and pinch here like that. And now we are gonna push it up, and here I'm gonna zoom a little, increase my light, and fold this flap down on the existing crease like that. And turn over and now fold this flap down to the point. It should not be that exact because the transforming ninja star needs to move. It needs some space, so don't do much exact. And now fold this flap up and fold and push it into the pocket. Now decrease some light. Oops, increase some. Too much. Now I'll unzoom, and the first module is complete. And first module will look like this blue one. And now we need to make the same module more 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, so all the modules are complete. Now it's small time to assemble them. It takes some few times, sorry. Now this time I'll take the black and arrange it a little up, or like that and push it on the intersection point. And if I tell that this model is designed not by me, it's designed by collaboration with Jeremy Schaefer and Robswell. I have not designed, means Jeremy Schaefer and Robswell I have both made it. They've uploaded on YouTube now and I'm just teaching it to you. I'm Jeremy Schaefer's and Robswell subscriber. And repeat. Just push it down like that. And there it is, a colorful transforming ninja star. And first time when you transform, it will get a little bit of difficult. It will get a little bit difficult, like this. Little difficult. Just over here. I'll zoom over here. Just slapping like that. Just put it like that. And this flap should be away. And repeat on other sides. No, just other sides. No, this side is completely in. And how to transform it in Ninja Starter? Well, this and this should be pushed like that. And this, hold it here and just try to push, or you can just push it till here and push it till here, like that. Oops, it just got turned. Just crease sharply on the edges. And if you want to just make it like a ninja star, just make it like that, and you don't want to transform it into this, then you need to lock it. So how to lock it is, and what first, oops, I'm gonna zoom and just push this edge into this pocket right there. And repeat. I don't want to lock it, I want to transform it. So I'm not gonna push it in the pocket. I'm gonna keep it separate over here. Oh, turn over. Oops, it's locked. I will just unlock it. And while unlocking, I'm gonna fast forward. And there it is, your super duper extra transforming ninja star. This is the first bee, flies awesome. And this bee came, oops. This bee came and origami ninja star, similar like this. So this is colorful, and this just have to colors. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Bye bye.